Yeah. Put your back against mine. Hands on your head.
Oh, man.
Good. Better?
Yeah.
Everybody loves that one. A little looser.
I know what's going on. I know what's happening. It's my diet. It's because I'm not doing the stuff that I'm doing well. And because I can't do as much stuff as I used to.
Yeah, that and you in a car accident too. That makes a big difference.
Yeah, well, that would be the first reason. Probably, you know. I appreciate you, dog.
That several thousand-pound car hitting you from behind, you know. Are you gonna watch the football game? Make sure you eat lots of chicken wings.